Hello, hello. We've got a very interesting unboxing. I have made my first order from Steel City's own, well, established in the Iron City, Birmingham Pen Company. Ordered a bunch of inks, and they have arrived. I actually really want to keep the tape that's on this box. There's an awesome Easter egg on this tape. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but there's an Easter egg on this tape. Maybe I'll tell those of you who stay to the end what the Easter egg is. So in order to keep that, I'm very carefully, here, I'll actually keep this bit on camera as I just cutting the box itself. Ah, shoot. I kind of want to keep this tape for my ephemera collection. And if I do it right, I can trim it down better later. That's the key here. I actually made a little bit of a mistake when I ordered from the Birmingham Pen Company. I meant to message them and let them know that I am local and and if I could just swing by and pick up this ink. And I neglected to do that. So this is my fate. I see something really cool right here. Give me 1 second. We'll get this thing a little more open. Trying to be very careful. Cutting through cardboard. And I think I'm going to cut this end. Go. Yeah, that should do it, actually. Those 3 points. All right, I'm going to just slide this off screen for a hot second. There we go. Yep, see, I got this loose. I just want to make sure this isn't a shipping manifest, so give me 1 second. It is not the shipping manifest, so I'm going to slide it back for 1 second. All right. So first thing when you open the box is this card. Oh, this isn't... Oh, shoot, it's like a real card. It is... Oh, this is so cool. This is a postcard, guys. Let me look at the front. So, it's a postcard. You have Birmingham Pen Company. And then on the back, you have postcard. For correspondence, for address. This is so cool. This is a complimentary promotional media, not for resale. This is so cool, though. It's an embossed envelope with a postcard in it. How cool is that? That is awesome. All right. I'm going to slide this off screen for a hot second. I'm just going to lift the paper up. I just want to make sure there's no shipping manifest. I don't want to dox myself. All right. So far, we're looking safe. We're looking safe. Okay. So far, so good. I think these little bundles are my inks. So let's start with this one. It was right kind of on top. Bought a bunch of ink here. Oh. This is so cool. What an interesting. Okay. So this one is Ohio River. You know what? I'm going to pull them all out and then we'll look at all of the bottles. I know how this is. Be a little bit quicker. All right. This one is Suncatcher. We have here Sugar Kelp. Okay. We have here Megalodon. Very excited about Megalodon. These are going to be very interesting for those swatching videos. All right. This one is Blue Ribbon. This one. This one is Butcher's Broom. And I apologize. It looks like there's some smudging on the camera. Give me 1 second. That's a quick fix. Hold on. It's almost like I've had to do this before. I do this daily. Usually it doesn't get so smudgy so quick. So my apologies. Alright. This one is Byzantium. This one is Salt Marsh. Salt Marsh. Oh, down to the last two. There was a lot. There was a lot. This was a group order with some friends. Hydrothermal Spring. Yeah, so this was a group order with some friends. We are splitting this ink up. And then the last one. You know, I actually really appreciate there not being a shipping manifest in this box because that made it that much easier to unbox. And this one, the big 100 mil is... Oh, this has 50. Oh, this is sterling silver, 50 mil. Interesting. I thought this was the 100. I'm going to open this one up first, actually, because I'm curious. 50 mil volume. Oh, no, but it is a 100 mil bottle. Look at that. That bottle. Sterling silver. Comes with a dropper. Yeah, 100 mil. Oh, 50 mil minimum volume. Here, I'm going to actually zoom in a little as we open these. Oh, you can see my face. As we open these guys up. So I'm going to put this sterling silver back in the box. I'm basically going to put them all back in the box after we open them and take a look at them. So first up, Ohio River. Ohio River. You can see it's a little bluish. Okay, Blue Ribbon. Blue Ribbon. These are all, like, I love these bottles so much. They give such laboratory vibes. Of course, on one side, the Birmingham Pen Company, established in the Iron City, Pittsburgh. That's us! Alright, next up, we've got Megalodon. I'm super pumped about Megalodon. This was not the ink that started this whole order. The ink that started this order actually was out of stock by the time we did this order. There's Megalodon. This is, I believe, like a greenish gray. The irony, I know, but it's fine. It's fine because it will be in stock again one day, and I will order it again then. Alright, next up, Sugar Kelp. Sugar Kelp. This, I believe this one's a greenish color. I'm very excited. Very excited for this order and to be able to share these inks with some of my friends. Because like I said before, we all bought these together. This is Suncatcher. Another bluish. Alright, Butcher's Broom. Butcher's Broom. I don't know why I'm stumbling over that. This one is a red. Reddish. And then we have Byzantium. Which is, I believe, another like a blackish one. I love these bottles. I cannot get over these bottles. These are all 50 mils, I believe. Fairly certain these are all 50 mil bottles. Then hydrothermal spring. Hydrothermal spring I actually got because of my dad. Long story there, but this is an ink of my dad. If you know me and you know my dad, you know why. If you know, you know. And last but not least, Salt Marsh. Salt Marsh is a very interesting one. This is one that changes color depending on paper and shade and sunlight. And interestingly, in this bottle, it looks brown. It's supposed to be like this very interesting grayish color. So I'm very excited to see. How this ends up looking. But that's Salt Marsh. And there we have it. That is my Birmingham Pen Company ink order. Order with friends. I highly recommend ordering with friends. Get together with a bunch of local friends. Make an order. That way you all can share and split and divide up inks. And everybody gets a little bit of something. You know? Everybody gets a little taste. You all save money. You save on shipping. It's a great time. But that's going to do it. You probably are going to see all of these inks in a swatching video coming soon to you. And I'll catch you on the next one. As always, be excellent to each other and Kila Salai. Take care, guys.